Okay, so we are talking about the Odyssey Jailbird 380 putter, but this time with a white hot insert. Alright, so back in 2014, the original Jailbird dropped, but you fast forward to 2023 and golf pros like, Ricky Fowler and Wyndham Clark, they started winning with this putter. It definitely caused a major buzz, which also caused another major buzz and demand of us, fans of wanting this putter. It definitely forced Odyssey to produce limited editions. I'd say at the end of November, Odyssey kind of quietly released the white hot version of this putter. And luckily, I was able to snag this bad boy for $400 at my local golf store. And let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Let's see if there's true magic in all of this. Alright, so let's get into the details. So, this Jailbird rocks a Versa high contrast alignment, honestly giving you the confidence throughout your stroke. The mallet, it has this shape, right? It also has the color of black and white colors. It definitely helps with framing the ball. It's very nice, I would say. Not only that, with a longer length, a full length of 39 inches, and you also have a 17-inch Super Stroke grip, definitely there's some heft to it. You can feel the weight, the weight in the shaft. And I would say it's kind of, really designed for maximum control, especially with the counterbalance. Not only that, it's topped off with the white hot insert. And I'll talk more about that later, but I think the cool thing too is that it comes with this really slick, really cool looking Jailbird head cover. I mean, honestly, it really looks cool in the bag. Alright, so let's talk about feel and performance. I haven't really played with this putter. I know I'll probably get some flack for it. I haven't played it out on the actual course, but I've been able to test it out on just the indoor greens at the store, also on a simulator as well too. The performance and feel. I like the counterbalance of this putter, the feel of it. Definitely silences the hands and it reduces kind of like a lot of the wrist actions, and allows me to really focus more on my stroke, through my arms and body and shoulders. And so really focusing more on that motion. So that's kind of nice, I would say. What's also a benefit is that this putter is a mallet putter, and so there's definitely forgiveness. I think when you combine having a forgiving mallet and also a counterbalance shaft, I think that combination is kind of nice for us amateurs, I would say. Alright, let's talk about the white hot insert. So some swear by it and others not so much. For me, I would say I'm kind of on the fence. It's like a love-hate relationship. But honestly, I think it's really for me I just need to get used to it more. It definitely has a soft feel and a bounciness. But like I said, it's something I probably just need to get used to. I just need to actually play an actual round with it and get used to it on, playing it on real greens. Now, one thing that I do want to talk about is the price. So at $400, is it worth it? Is it worth the hype? It's definitely not cheap, okay? Let's be honest, it's not cheap. But in my own opinion, if it helps you with less three putts, and if when you're holding it in your hands and it screams confidence in your hands, then honestly the price is worth it. They say the putter is the most used club in your bag, right? And this tool is probably the most important investment. And like I said, if it just feels right for you, then it'll probably be the best investment for you. So overall, I have to say it's a well-made putter. It doesn't have a lot of whole bling to it like some of your Scotty Cameron, which I kind of like. I'm okay with that, but you could tell the craftsmanship just from the grip, the shaft, and then the actual head, it's well made, including the weights on the bottom. The other thing that I really do appreciate is, you know, what I love is that this putter was kind of like an experimental from Ricky Fowler's caddy, and I love that he got creative with it, and it ended up being a legit weapon of choice, you know, especially for these pro golfers, right? And now it's also a weapon of choice for us amateurs. And so I think that's pretty cool that there's some kind of backstory to it. And yeah, I'm a big fan of like when products have a certain story to it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna bag this putter anytime soon. I'm definitely happy with the putter that I got fit earlier in the season last year, or this past season, with my Mizuno Omeo putter. But definitely, this gives me something to think about. I think I really do need to chop an inch off, because I'm still having some, I just get really like uncomfortable trying to figure out how to hold it right. But I can tell, like, once I do get somewhat comfortable, the putter it does feel good. So something definitely it's gonna make me think about. I'll hold on to it. Maybe I'll play a couple rounds with it, make some modifications to it. We'll see. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. If you have this, if you tried it, let me know your thoughts. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. And then until then, I'll talk to you guys later.